Howdo! Well, we've moved on a little bit since you last saw me. Yes, I've been chugging along with all those little details that generally are a little bit boring to watch. Gluing on a little veneer onto the headstock. Top tip on that one, these old acetate things, absolutely perfect to make sure that your flat gluing block doesn't stick to the veneer. Lasering in my logo and doing the whole resin thing that you've probably seen me do before. Giving the body a decent sanding over while the neck was off, and then gluing the neck on using the traditional wood glue and clamps trick. Top tip at that point, if you've used a radiusing block to sand off the radius of your fretboard, use that as the clamping core because it fits perfectly. And then we have done too many tedious hours of sanding and polishing of that fretboard. Now remember that that is rich light, not ebony, but it kind of acts like it. You even get all the nice residual black dust when you sand it. Keep that stuff, it's golden. Well, it's black, but you know what I mean. And I wish I could film the fact that this does actually have a very, very slight grain pattern to it. Really, really slight grain pattern. Can you just see it on there? Little lines going across that way. Not scratches, that is a grain pattern in this rich light stuff. Really, really good stuff. I've been very impressed with it, and it's polished up really nicely. And the screws on the back of the plates, I just love the fact that we have a trinity of trinities. If you know, you know. If you don't, go and get your Bible out. And there we are, you're all caught up with how we have now. Look at that, isn't that lovely? So the next thing for me to do is to just sort out this neck heel section here. Now a lot of my guitars have a lowering of the body at this point, scooping across there, and then all of this section kind of slopes down into the neck. But on this occasion, I don't want to do that. I really like this this little concave groove that we've got going on through there. So I'm actually just going to fold in the neck into this section of the guitar as best I can through here, maybe having a flat section just following that curve as if to have another mini concave. We shall see. But I think for that, for funsies, we'll get the chisels out. So I think we will have a flat section that copies this. Easiest way to do that, get a washer and a pencil, and it just runs round at that perfect distance matching. Well, I like it.